How to activate Fiat service on Binance. So the first step is to simply hover your mouse over your icon here at the top, your profile icon, and then you're gonna have to simply go to account. Now the next step is to simply click on assets here, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply, so as you can see, when you're gonna have to select the verification from the menu, you're gonna have to click on Fiat and Spot tab. So simply click on that, or you can simply go to the overview here, and then here you can simply start converting. You can earn, as you can see, you can buy, sell, transfer, and get some details. So all you have to do in order to activate this is to make sure that your account is verified. So as you can see here, if you go to your settings, you're gonna see if your account is verified or not under your email address. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.